Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lisa with LL Designs. Thank you so much for stopping by today. This channel is all about decorating, DIY decor, furniture makeover, all that jazz. In today's video, we are transforming a kitchen, guys, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. I'm using a dark blue chalk paint from Behr, and the reason I chose chalk paint is because it's so much easier to work with. I didn't have to sand the cupboards down, I didn't have to remove the doors. It was just so easy. My clients cleaned the cupboards for me, so I just got started right away, and it was such an easier process than removing all the doors. I chose this water-based polyurethane. Honestly, I looked it up on YouTube because I wanted to make sure that I was using the right thing, and so many people recommended this, and so I chose to use it. I am rolling it, but after rolling it for a little bit, I didn't really like the way that it looked, and so I switched to a brush. And here we are applying the peel and stick backsplash, and this we ordered from Amazon. This is a marble contact paper that we're using. Guys, it was so challenging. Thanks to the help of my clients, we were able to get it done. And I tell you the truth, it was so worth it.